Hello and welcome back to Flamboyant Creations. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a 4x8 meter canopy tent. Start by laying all your poles on the ground. 7 poles that are 4 meters long and 6 poles that are 3 meters long. Once the poles are set on the floor, we put our material onto the poles. Then we put our corners on each end of the poles. So in this case, we had 6 corners, including the ones in the middle and the ones at the end. Once that's done, we can actually apply your top part on the bottom whilst your poles are at the bottom. Once you raise your you can actually put your top one. Next, we lift the frame into place. Be sure to carefully position it, and once it's up, we place the canopy top over the frame to protect our guests from the sun. Now we gather the material along the sides and we tie it tightly, making sure everything is tied tightly and even. Once that's done, we reinforce the structure by securing it with pegs and rope at all 4 corners so that if wind comes, our structure won't fall over or won't be moved while the guests are sitting inside. And there you have it, a full setup canopy tent complete with a table setup ready for the event. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tips from Flamboyant Creations.